In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a landing page in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update text and images, tweak forms and buttons, rearrange sections, and fine-tune your design so your page looks great on every device. Start by opening Mailerlite and logging into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the Sites area and choose Landing Pages. This takes you to a list of all your existing pages so you can quickly find the one you want to work on. Locate the landing page you'd like to update and click Edit Site or Edit Landing Page. This opens the drag and drop builder, which is where all the editing happens. The interface is designed to be intuitive. You click what you want to change, make your edits, and see them instantly on the canvas. Any content block on the page can be edited with a simple click. Update text for headings and paragraphs to clarify your message and keep it concise. Replace images by uploading new files or selecting from your library. Choose high-quality visuals that load quickly. For buttons, adjust the call to action text and add or update links so visitors know exactly what to do next. If you have forms, you can modify the fields and the subscriber group they feed into. Videos can be embedded by pasting the video link, and columns let you control the layout structure for better visual balance. To add more content, use the left sidebar to drag new blocks onto the page. You can reorder sections by dragging them up or down and remove anything that's no longer needed. Common sections include a strong hero area at the top, social proof like testimonials, a countdown timer for limited offers, and an FAQ to reduce hesitation. Keep the flow logical, value first, details next, and a clear call to action throughout. If your page includes a sign-up form, click it to adjust the fields, choose the subscriber group, write a friendly success message, and set a redirect URL so new subscribers land on a thank you page. Fewer fields usually improve conversions, and a warm confirmation message builds trust. Next, open your design settings to customize fonts, colors, backgrounds, and spacing. Align these with your brand, ensure good contrast for readability, and add comfortable padding so sections don't feel cramped. Don't forget to check the mobile layout to make sure text sizes, buttons, and images are easy to interact with on smaller screens. Before publishing, use both desktop and mobile previews to confirm everything looks and works the way you expect. When you're happy, click Done Editing, then Publish Changes. Your updates go live immediately, so give the page a quick refresh to confirm the latest version is visible.